be starting off with my Nika K New York, and I really love these. These are from the beauty supply store, and you can go pick out any color. They have like a darker one, a lighter one, a black one. They have a lot of these, and they're like $1.99. So drugstore product. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my eyebrows on. I usually like arch I usually like arch my eyebrows before I install my eyebrows or draw my eyebrows on, but today I'm gonna go ahead and leave them ungroomed because I usually like, I don't usually, I'm not gonna arch them. I haven't arched them. I have not arched my eyebrows in I don't know how long, so I like to just leave them like this and then fulfill the finished look. I love the full glam eyebrows, no doubt about it. Like, I really love the full glam eyebrow, especially without it being arched or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just draw my eyebrows on, then put my concealer on, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the next next thing. I like to start like here and work my way into the brows, but I like my eyebrows to be super duper thin. But I'm going to do a tutorial on that in another video, so this is not a tutorial on eyebrows. So let me just finish doing my eyebrows.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you.
Someone asked me, why am I single? The reason why I'm single is because I want to work on myself, and because I just love the vibe of me just treating myself and just spoiling myself, if you can call it that. I mean, relationships are fun, but I kind of just feel like me spoiling myself and getting to know me and just, having a good time with myself and just doing a lot of good things. If you guys know what I mean. Having someone all on your back saying, but yada yada yada. I'm just like really happy that, I found me and I know what I want. Being in a relationship and knowing what you want. I mean, being single and knowing what you want. You have your picks and chooses, and that's just something that I'm doing right now. So no, I'm not talking to anyone. I'm not engaging in any type of male zone right now, if you can say, because I'm just working on myself. Like, I kind of just feel like once you work on yourself and you build yourself up and get to know you, that's when you jump into the right person. I think that that's the right way to go. Building yourself up, building your confidence up, and to know who you are and what type of things that you like. That's something that I kind of think that I'm gonna proceed, especially with just treating yourself. And then I kind of think that once you're single and you're not bunny hopping over guys or girls, your skin kind of brightens up and it just, glow. And that's how you know that you're self-comforting yourself and loving on yourself. That's how you know that your skin and your personality is glowing, because you're not having all these people all in your ears telling you, you know, yada yada yada. I just think that being single is the thing, but I like a relationship, calm vibes, you know. But right now, no relationships, not right now. I kind of think the vibe is to just get to know me and, you know. So with me right now, I like to just clean my eyebrows up using my concealer because I kind of just feel like it just gives it that look, like it just gives it that vibe. Especially with making it look arched and pretty, and it's just something that I like to do up here. I don't like to go closer to my eyebrows because I kind of just feel like if you go closer, then you're gonna mess your eyebrows up, and it's like no point of doing that. So I like to just give my concealer and eyebrows space so it can like make that little arch. Beverly foundation, and I like to just put a little bit on there. I don't want to put a lot on there because I kind of just feel like this is just, I just wanted to make it look natural as possible. I like to just put a little bit on. And especially if I'm going to the store and I don't, want to put that much on, I don't want it to be that noticeable on my face. So this is what I use. This Mattifying Primer, and this is so good. I usually like put the foundation on and then spray this primer, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. I really love this one, this hydrating concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. hydrating concealer on my face. I just got this and it's like actually gone super fast. I mean, they need to start filling these bottles up because they're going. And it dries up super, super fast, so I have to get it really, really quick. And my sponge is already damp, so
You ain't giving nothing. Oh.
this is in the shade medium deep 30, and just put this. I gotta get some more of this.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Put this on, but I don't want to make it like really dark. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here and just cover up like the powder on my face. New palette, and this is the Up to Dawn, and this is the Morphe palette. This is so cute. I love the colors in here. As you guys can see, I want to go in and use Up to Dawn. And this is the green, and it looks like this. I want to use this one. I'm not going to do too much to my face because I don't want to make it that much standing out.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Really pretty color. This is so cute.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Sums up this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want me to do next, and I'll talk to you guys in another